to have you once again. I want to thank you that because you are doing a big job. And for us, because it has been a wonderful journey so far. We are not actually doing an anniversary, but I don't want to tell you that you're doing well and you can still do more of that by going to all our social media to subscribe, view our video, try to share, and like and comment as well. And that's why we are always here. Well, in a couple of days we actually had over 1,000 views one of our social platform, and I think you can actually do more. Our name still remains Adeyeye. I'm here with my wonderful friend
and once again welcome to our program face to face.
Okay, now I'm only telling this you add honorable and have another entitlement to his name, which is called the king of the proverb of this country called Nigeria. Anyway, let us move down today. It's a very lovely mood I am because my wonderful king, my friend Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi, one. I call him one because I love this man. He's a very good philanthropist. I said sorry to say. And he's actually celebrating his birthday, and the only thing is that my friend did not actually call us to actually come and grace the occasion for him. We can actually be the MC anyway. You know, he's over 40 now. I think it's 46 now, yeah. And that's why we actually said that we should talk about him as a wonderful friend. Well, how will you say about my wonderful friend?
Well, I won't like. I will be very plain. I will be very plain.
Yeah.
When he became the Ooni of Ife,
yeah.
When he was like, okay, he's going to be the Ooni of Ife, I was not really pleased because I didn't really know
a lot about him.
And I said, okay, fine, cool, okay, cool. But you know, along the line, where he was able to win my heart was his ability to bring the ties between Ife and Oyo together.
That's a very no one have ever done that before. Yeah. I think I stand to be corrected. Yes.
So for him being, despite the fact sometimes wisdom is not about age.
Yeah.
You understand? It's not about age. But I don't know how he was able to perform the magic whereby he was able to bring the ties between Ife and Oyo that they have always been having each for a very long time. But during his reign, he was able to talk over Alaafin of Oyo, and before we know it, things start working on between them awesomely, and that first thing makes me change my mindset towards it. You know,
I actually want to share your thoughts on that issue because this man is a very wonderful man, and I think his reign is going to go long.
Yeah.
Even if actually in the Yoruba land, a king doesn't actually resign, isn't it? It's until when they die. Yeah. And Yoruba will say, you understand? He's going to still actually borrow that from you, sorry to say. Okay, that is going to stay this long. Yeah. And not only that, he has actually played a husband role. We heard with confirmation that there was a time he bought cars for his wives. There was a time Naomi, his wife, right? Yes. He stood by her even when she did not quickly at instant give birth. Yeah. And all the wives were wonderful. He could actually control them. Yeah. He's a person that actually gives out to the society. Yeah. If you go to Osun State now, he actually employed people. He's very good in doing that. Yeah. So a man like this celebrating his birthday, I think is actually, there should be a public holiday for him. You understand? Yeah. Okay, let us talk about his philanthropist. I don't know why this word is getting into my tongue. Let's talk about his philanthropist. Yeah. Now, how will you say talk about this? Because I feel that now that actually during the COVID-19, he actually gave out some COVID-19 devices for people to actually be vaccinated and all that. Yeah. Well, how will you talk about that to people so that they will understand the kind of person we are talking about?
Well, aside from the fact that he's a great ruler, he's a philanthropist, just the way you said, and he has been able to bring this into by the House of Oduduwa Foundation. That is what he's trying to use his philanthropic foundation to go through. Yeah. And we have on so many occasions we've seen how he has helped both the elderly women, the young, by empowering them. Even as we all know now, he has turned Ife into a new modernized tourist center now.
So that is what I actually went to Ife a few months ago, and I could not believe my eyes. Seriously, I got to that junction where we have Ife roundabout up to Modakeke, you understand? And what I saw there, I said, no, this is not Ife I used to know.
Yeah.
It was wonderful, and there was a street light down from that roundabout down to that end that lead to Iwo Road and all that. It was a great moment for that. So what are we going to say? How are you going to? I want to send a message, a lovely message to my wonderful friend Adeyeye. Please, I want one that can actually win the heart of a woman. Please, I know that he's listening to us.
Well, just the way you've been doing, I just want to beseech you to keep on doing the more. We, the Odua descendants, we are right behind you, irrespective of whatever many people might say about your personal life. That's your own personal life. Everybody have their personal life. So don't let that one word bring you down. Anyway, I know you are a strong man. I know you are capable to do away with unreasonable and unconstructive criticism, whereby it will give you more edge to do more and more and more. Ki adeko pelori, ki bata ko pelese, ki rukere ko wa di okinimo lo baba mi.
Okay, I know that he's going to do that as the oracle of proverb as he is, actually a wolf who cannot actually deal with you. Okay, to my wonderful friend Adeyeye Enitan, Ogunwusi, my wonderful paddy from another mother, I say that happy birthday to you. Long life, as Honorable have said, that it's just unfortunate that you cannot actually be our next president. I wish you can actually have that, because I wish you are the president of next time. But I'm saying that happy birthday. You continue to increase in age, increasing in grace. God will give you more wisdom. Please don't forget your next birthday. I am honorable. We actually accept your invitation as the MC of the day. We are going to end this in a lovely mood because my friend is celebrating his birthday. I will not going to say are we going to reject the cake? No. So we are expecting our cake. We are going to say, my name is Adeyeye. I'm here with my wonderful friend.
Okay,
because of that wonderful, lovely mood, we are going to say, bye-bye.